You know that so Indian painting that we are going to see, and there are the two types of paintings are there, petrographs and petroglyph, which I said that petrographs, and then we have a painting which has been originated, if I am talking about in ancient and medieval study, like I said that it is in a Paleolithic, and then Paleolithic, if you see that it is in a 5 lakh to 10,000. That Mesolithic from the 10,000 BC to 4,000 BC, and thereafter I say the Neolithic, it is from the 6,000 BC to, I said, 1,000 BC. And in this Neolithic itself, you know that there is a pre-Harappan, better to say, I said 3,000 BC to 1,000 BC, you know that Chalcolithic. And then before 2500 BC, I said that there is it is a pre-Harappan. What is it? From the 2500 BC to 1750 BC, it is known that and then whenever you will see the word Proto-Harappan, what is the meaning of pre-Harappan? Yes, what is the meaning of pre-Harappan? Means civilization before the Harappan civilization. Understood? And Proto-Harappan is in a pre-Harappan. But it has a similar characteristic to Harappan. Therefore, this pre-Harappan is known as, generally pre-Harappan means what? What is the meaning of pre-Harappan? It is not similar to Harappan. Understood? But there is a civilization which is existing before the Harappan, but having the similar characteristic of Harappan, it is known as Proto-Harappan. And in the Paleolithic age, 5 lakh to 10,000, there is I said that lower Paleolithic, that is a 5 lakh to 1 lakh, and then middle Paleolithic, one lakh to, I said that 40,000 BC, and then I said that upper Paleolithic, which I said 40,000 BC to 10,000 BC. So now tell me, which Paleolithic will have a best technology? Which Paleolithic will have best technology? Upper Paleolithic. Which Paleolithic can have the chance of rock paintings? Where I said that? Upper Paleolithic. Lower to बहुत पहले हो गया. Understood? So which Paleolithic will have a chance of original paintings? Tell me. Upper. And after that we'll have a chance of painting in the Mesolithic. After that goes to the Neolithic and all. Understood? And the present time. Understood it? And then it is going till now. So we have seen, like I said, in India, paintings and carvings. जब आप I said paint करो on the rock, it is known as, I said that mural painting is there, and then there is fresco. I said that. Yes, mural painting and fresco. What is the meaning of mural painting and fresco? Raise your hand. एक मिनट. Fresco. Yes, son. Yes. काउ डंग से तो रफ सरफेस को खत्म करते हैं. काउ डंग, राइस, हस्क एंड ऑल, we remove the revolution and roughness. So fresco कहाँ पे? That is, I said that only the difference is what is one is dry, another is what? Wet. And then in case of what I said that mural painting, the wall is, I said that dry. In case of fresco, the wall is, I said that we have to make it wet. Understood? Clear? Mural and which painting I said that? Fresco. And but in the fresco one thing is there, we used to make it wet. इसको भी जो limes के साथ, दोनों में lime use किया जाता है. Used to make lime to what is in a wet, and then we are also making some kind of what, if I have to make in a better layer for long time, then we used to add oil. What we used to add? Oil and egg. What we are using? Oil and egg. Egg का कौन सा? Which part? White part. Boiled egg नहीं. Before the boiled egg, yellow to be removed, and then white part is there. That has to be mixed. Clear? And when once it dried, it will become permanent. That is in a fresco also. The fresco may we have to make anyhow to be what is in a wet. Understood? And then before the wall to be fresco, painting to be applied on the wall. So I said that, and make a roughness to be smooth. Roughness को किस में convert कर देते हैं? Smoothness. And then cow dung, rice husk, different things, some stone powders that we are utilizing towards making it what? Roughness to be removed. So one it is in a simple painting, but one it is in a simple carving and engraving. So petroglyph is in a painting on the rock, and petroglyph is in a what? Petroglyph is in a what? Carving and engraving. Understood? So which are the two types of paintings? Yes, tell me, rock paintings. Petroglyph, petroglyph. Petroglyph, petroglyph. Understood? And the rock painting, you know that after Australia, number one in the rock painting, who is the number one? Australia, second South Africa, and third India in the number of rock painting sites. And India has around 5,000 rock painting sites. How many? 5,000 rock painting sites. So who is the number one? I said Australia. Second one I said that South Africa, and then third, yes, tell me, India. Rock paintings. And whether the rock paintings are there is in a rock painting similarly simple, it is known as in a petroglyph, and if it is an engraving and carving, it is known as just petroglyph. Understood it? And then cupel painting. Yeah, better to say couple. Which one I said that? Yeah, couple painting. And this is couple painting. Through the hammer, धीरे धीरे, नहीं तो ज़्यादा जोर से मार दोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? वो जगह टूट जाएगा. Through the hammer, slowly and slowly, over the period, we try to make a what? Cup shape. We try to make cup shape. And this is known as, I said that, which painting? Yes, tell me. Couple painting. Understood? Clear? And it is taking some time to come over there, and then we can be able to see. This is in India. if you'll see in the Chambal River main near what is in a Mandsaur district, Dharat के पास ही है Mandsaur on Chambal River there is a कौन सा है कौन सा चट्टान धर की चट्टान तो चट्टान क्या हो गया थोड़ा सा धरक गया so धर की चट्टान in the Mandsaur district we have seen what is there Kipple and thereafter we have seen it is in the Madhya Pradesh Maharashtra Andhra Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Arunachal Pradesh. So where this kind of painting has been found? Where this kind of paintings has been found? Kipple painting? Yes, tell me. MP, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh. And then I said that, understood? Is it clear? Now we are going to see traditions. In India, the earliest painting have been reported from the Upper Paleolithic. Earliest painting कहाँ से मिला मुझे? Yes, tell me. Upper Paleolithic understood from the 40,000 to 10,000 BC के बीच के period. This is the period between 40,000 to 10,000. So the earliest rock painting where we have got? Tell me fast. Upper Paleolithic, and then there is a Cockburn. I said that Cockburn, Anderson, and then Mitra and Ghosh were the early archaeologists who discovered a large number of sites in the Indian subcontinent. Which are I said that first two friends we are there. हम लोग 2-3 friends थे. हम लोगों ने Cock को क्या किया? Burn किया. And after we also cut the and his son. Cock के बच्चों को क्या बोलूँगा? Chicken. And his Cockburn, and then and his son Anderson, and हम मित्र लोग फिर क्या किए घोषणा किए सारे आ जाओ हम लोग खा रहे हैं yes so what we said that अकेले खाने का मजा नहीं होता you know that so I said that which are that who has discovered several rock painting sites in India Cockburn, Anderson, Mitra and Ghosh can you remember yes which are who has discovered Cockburn, Anderson, yes Mitra and Ghosh. And the rock shelters on the banks of the river Suyal in Uttarakhand. Where did I say that? Suyal in Uttarakhand. That is, I said that Lakhudiyal. There is a lakhs of caves in Uttarakhand. Where I said that? In Uttarakhand. There is a lakhs of caves on the nearby which river? Suyal. And that is known as what is the name of these caves are known as Lakhudiyar. What is known as Lakhudiyar. So Lakhudiyar cave is famous for, I said that sculpture, architecture, painting, and then rock cut caves, rock painting. सब confuse आ जाएंगे वहाँ पे Lakhudiyar cave, possibly rock cut cave, no architecture. समझ में आ रहा है? So it is for which rock painting? Lakhudiyar. Where it is in the Uttarakhand. On which river I said that? Suyal. Which river I said? Suyal. And these prehistoric paintings are there. And richest paintings are reported from Bhimbetka in the Vindhya Hills in the Raisen district. In the Raisen district of what is in MP, we have which painting? Yes, tell me. Bhimbetka. Which painting I said? Bhimbetka. And then Upper Paleolithic and all.